Every 4 out of 10 pilgrims don't have a clear understanding of the step-by-step rituals of Hajj and Umrah. This includes everything from the proper way to perform the Tawaf to the specific du'as to recite and how to navigate the logistics of the pilgrimage. That's exactly why we're creating this series. Think of it as your personal roadmap. No fluff, no confusion, just real, useful guidance to help you walk through every step with confidence. Let's face it, most guides either drown you in complicated language or skip over the stuff you actually need. We are doing things differently. We are breaking it all down, plain and simple. What to do, how to do it, and why it matters. Whether it's your first time or your 10th, this is your go-to resource. Because no matter where you're starting from, you deserve clarity, not chaos. Let's talk about the real struggles pilgrims face. Logistics, visas, flights, packing. There's a lot that can trip you up before you even leave home. Rituals, Tawaf, Sa'i, Arafat, what's required, what's Sunnah, and how not to second guess every move. Stress between the crowds, heat, and exhaustion, it's easy to lose sight of the why behind it all. The biggest mistake, thinking you need to memorize everything. Spoiler, you don't. By the end of this series, you'll be able to pack and prep efficiently without overthinking it, master the rituals step by step, no guesswork, avoid common mistakes like overpacking or missing deadlines, and staying spiritually centered, even when it gets tough. We'll be releasing short, focused videos over the next few days. Each one covers a critical topic. Watch them in order or skip around to what you need. Just grab a notebook, follow along, and let's make this journey as smooth and meaningful as it was always meant to be.